Good morning, guys. Johnny with Blades Grass Lawn Care. I wanted to make a follow-up on the Laser Edge self-sharpening blades by Fisher Barton. And today is May 17th, okay? And I installed my blades on my Exmark 36-inch on March 17th. So exactly 2 months. Now, when I made the first video, and I will place the video on the top, this mower had 518.3 hours on it. And today it has 545.4 hours on it. Okay? So that's a total of 27.1 hours. Okay? Now, things that I will tell you, we did a whole bunch of cleanups. So not sure if this is going to be something that, you can look at. We did a lot of cleanups, and we, on average, we mow 1.7 to 3 inches. But this time of the year, no one is being mowed at 3 inches. The highest we've been right now is, I want to say, 2.75-ish or 2.5. Okay, so that's what we do in my area. Now, also my soil is sandy, so we get an extreme amount of deterioration on our blades. Unlike you guys up north and other places, we have to buy blades frequently. I mean, very, very frequently. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is show you. I have my 36 jacked up, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to take these blades off and show you exactly what my blades look like. Okay, so this is no editing. This is straight up. I'm not going to edit, so stand by, guys. Stand by. I didn't have anything prepared, so we'll see what it's looking like. 1 second. I want to make sure. Oh, let me come over this way. Make sure you can see me. I hope I'm in the frame. This is the right one. Oh yeah, it's the right one. There you go. All right, guys, look at that blade. Okay, no editing. I just took it off. Look at that blade. Look at this. See how we yeah, that's what we do. That's what we do. Now, this is a coating. And I will tell you, this is sharp right here, but this is not. This is sharp right here and here, but it's not sharp here. Okay? Let me take the other one off. All right, let me put it in the light. You can see better. Okay, so this is sharp right here and here, but it's not right here. And it's not right here, but it's sharp here and here. Now, keep in mind, their sharpening coat or little additional piece is right here and here. Hope you can see that. Okay, that's where it's still sharp right here and here and here and here. So there you go. Now, I will say this, guys, and this is no lie. I haven't sharpened these blades not once in 2 months. Not once. Okay? So, are they worth it? I think they are. My personal opinion is I think they are. And I will continue purchasing them because, again, usually on Saturdays, I'll come in and change out my blades. And I mean, not change them out, but sharpen my blades. You know, we have a whole bunch of blades that we have on standby. And we exchange them out every, I would say every 2 to 4 days, depending on what time of the season it is and all that good stuff. But now we're into the mowing season and we're probably changing them out, I want to say every 4 to 5 days. So this is what we had and what we got through, hope you can see me in this, through the spring. Okay, this is it. So yeah, I think they are worth it. So there you are, guys. You come up with your own you know, you come up with whatever you want to come up with, but I think they're worth it. 2 months, man, let me tell you, my blades yeah, in 2 months I think they're worth it. But all right, guys, that's my review. If you have any questions, again, put it in the comment and I will let a Fisher Barton representative know that, you know, answer some of your questions. Again, they provided me with these blades to test them out. I don't know if they're on the market for your specific lawnmower. I don't know if your local dealer have them. So those type of inquiries, you can put them, and hopefully one of these guys can answer that question for you. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Again, make up your own mind. I think they're worth it. 2 months not sharpening blades. I think that's pretty good. Pop Smoke. Oh, as a matter of fact, I have. Where are they? I have another set. Oh, here they are. Oops, sorry about that. I have another set, and this is the this is a piece. See the difference? This one and that one. 2 months. There you go. Alright, guys, don't want to prolong this any longer. You make up your own mind. Pop Smoke. Peace.